Hello there, super readers. Today we are going to do another vocabulary job for this week. We have a new story with some new vocabulary words. So as I read the story today, ask yourself, what does it mean? Use the context clues from the story to help you figure it out. Our story today is Turtle, Frog, and Rat. Long ago, Turtle, Frog, and Rat were best friends. They lived together in a lovely house made of woven grasses with a wide view of the ocean. When they felt frisky, they would dance and sing or play hide and seek with bugs. When they felt relaxed, they would drink tea and talk. The friends spent many happy evenings complimenting each other. "You have beautiful flat eyes," Turtle and Rat told Frog. "No one has a smoother shell than you," Rat and Frog told Turtle. "Your tail is so long and furry," Frog and Turtle told Rat. One night, after days of rain, the friends had an unfortunate adventure. A flood rushed toward their house. Turtle and Frog were strong swimmers, so they were in no danger. Rat did not swim as well as his friends, so he ran to the forest and climbed a tall tree to safety. There he met a beautiful lady rat. She thought that his furry tail was handsome. They fell in love, married, and built a treehouse together. After the floodwaters went down and some time had passed, Rat went to check on his friends. The grass house had washed away. But Frog and Turtle were living in a fine new house with mud walls and a roof made from a giant leaf. Rat told them, "I made a new home in the forest, and now I have a wife. Will you come meet her?" The friends agreed and went off together. At Rat's tree, Frog and Turtle realized that it was too high for them. Rat thought for a moment and had an idea. "You can grab my tail with your jaws," he said to Turtle, "and I will pull you up." Turtle shivered with fear, but he agreed and took Rat's tail in his mouth. Rat started to climb. When they were nearly at the top, Turtle opened his mouth to say hello to Rat's wife. When he did, he lost his grip and tumbled down. As he fell, his sharp beak slid along Rat's tail and accidentally pulled off all the hair. When he landed, Turtle's smooth shell cracked all over. Frog spied the whole thing. He was so upset by what he saw that his eyes bulged out in alarm. "I'm not hurt," said Turtle, "but my beautiful shell is ruined. Now it looks cracked." "It's not ruined," said Frog. "Your shell is much more interesting now than when it was smooth. But look what happened to my eyes." "I like your bulging eyes," said Rat. "Now you can keep them above the water when you swim." But my tail, just look at my tail," he wailed. "My wife won't love me without a thick furry tail." "Don't be silly," his wife said. "I love you for who you are, not what you look like." So Rat, Turtle, and Frog got used to their new looks and stayed friends forever. But to this day, turtles still have shells that looked cracked. Frogs still have bulging eyes, and rats have hairless tails. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that story today. If you click on the next slide, you have a job to do with these new vocabulary words. I'll see you next time.